In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on camera in LapTop for Google Meet. If your camera isn't showing up in a call or you just want to test it ahead of time, follow along and we'll have it working in a few easy moments. First, open your web browser and head to the Google Meet website. Any modern browser will work, though an up-to-date version of Chrome usually offers the smoothest experience. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account if you use more than one. That helps Meet remember your settings and permissions. On the Google Meet landing page, click New Meeting. This creates a private space where you can safely test your video without joining someone else's call. It's a simple way to confirm everything is working before you enter a scheduled meeting or share a link. From the menu that appears, choose Start an Instant Meeting. Meet will open the meeting interface in a new tab or window. If your browser asks for permission to use the camera and microphone, click Allow. That permission is essential for your video to appear. If you accidentally blocked it, look for the small camera icon near the address bar. Change the setting to Allow and reload the page. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom center of the screen for the camera icon. If it has a slash through it, your camera is off. Click it once to turn the camera on. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E to toggle your camera quickly. On some keyboards, Command+E works as well. When your camera is on, you should see your own preview right away. If you need to turn it off again, simply click the same icon or use the shortcut a second time. If you still don't see video, check a few quick things. Make sure your laptop's physical camera shutter, if it has one, isn't closed. Close any other app that might be using the camera in the background, like another meeting tool. In Meet, you can open the settings gear, select video, and confirm the correct camera is chosen, especially helpful if you have an external USB webcam. A quick tip for quality. Good lighting makes a big difference. Face a light source rather than having it behind you, and keep the lens clean for a sharper image. And that's it. You went to Google Meet, started an instant meeting, and turned on your camera. Use this same flow anytime you want to test before a call, or to quickly recover if the camera was off by mistake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.